Hello everybody. Today I am in Leiden, and as the subject of this video says, I am in the middle of a snowstorm. Holland received a snowstorm this weekend, so I just wanted to show y'all how it looks like, and I'm gonna take you through around this area for the next 2-3 minutes to show you what exactly a snowstorm means. Just as I take you, I will just show you around. This is a children's playground. This is how it is when snow comes. It's covered fully with snow, and you can take the snow and using these snowballs you can throw it, or you can make a snowman. So as you can see, all the trees are covered with snow, and the snow volume is about 10 to 15 centimeters. And as you can see, the storm is fully in power. The wind was so strong, but now it's reduced, but still snow is falling. As you can see here, all the children's play stuff are covered by the snow. So let's go and see the other things around this area with regards to snow. Maybe we can find some children who are playing. These are some trees covered with the snow. Same here. So I'm going to take you through. As my head is also covered in snow, I would like to show you things which we only see when snow comes. Here are some vehicles which are covered in snow. All around I can see the vehicles, and the roads are covered with snow as well. Now here we see a snowman. Beautiful snowman. She's like a Snow White. I do not know whether it's a man or a woman, but a snowman, snow person is to be seen here. So yeah, I wanted to show you how it looked like during the snow in Europe, in Holland. Let's see what we can see further. As you can see, the wind is blowing very hard. Snow is still falling down. Here is a car park full of snow. And again some trees. Which are covered, and some house ornaments which are covered by the snow. So this is how a snowstorm looks like in the winter. This phenomena is not always happening in a country like Holland, but since this year it happened, I wanted to show you all. When you come to Holland in winter, snow is something you should not miss. or either in Holland or in any other country in Europe. Stay safe, guys. See you all soon.